Hey Pitmasters, what is up? Today we're going to be making Kecap Manis Chicken. To be honest, I didn't know what I was going to be cooking this morning. And I thought, what would be good? What would be good? And I thought, it has to be something with Kecap Manis. We haven't cooked with Kecap Manis so long. And then I thought, maybe we could make a really nice Kecap Manis chicken marinade. Me review. We got a beautiful chicken, and look at that, all the fat that's under the skin. It's gonna taste amazing. It's gonna render down. Well, let's open her up, cut out the backbone and spatchcock her. Now that we've got our chicken flat and spread out, it's time to work on our marinade. The base of our sauce is gonna be Kecap Manis, of course. So I got some Kecap Manis, and it's a new brand. I've never used it before, and of course it's always tricky to try it. But hey, you gotta explore. So we'll try. Oh, it's a good one. It's good. Kecap Mecha, #1. You want it? How much do you want, Marshall?
No, stop.
Oh. It's not too much. How can you have too much Kecap Manis? This is the base for our sauce, and we're gonna be needing a lot of it. Ah, finally, my shallots. Let's slice them up and put them in a marinade. Next, we're going to slice fine some garlic and add that to the marinade as well. Some fine sliced ginger. Because I'm looking for typical Indonesian flavors, we're also going to add some lemongrass. Look at that pop. That's juices, and we want to expose the juices to the marinade. Ooh, smell this, smell it. So I crushed it up, and we're going to add it to the marinade like this. Now I want to add some heat. And for the guys that have been watching this channel for a long time, you remember that I had a pepper plant last year. A new version of my pepper plant. The last one was a supermarket pepper plant, and this one is as well. So they had it on sale today, and I just couldn't resist myself. What do you think, Marshall? Is this one gonna last just as long as the last year's?
Maybe we have to give it a name.
It cannot be a man's name, it has to be a woman's name. So if you want to come up with a good name for our plant, that would be very much appreciated. I'm struggling here. I gotta give it water every week. We can't forget that, Marson. It's very important. And there's peppers on there. They're gonna be yellow forever, so we gotta try them. It's okay.
You were more struggling for this pepper than I did for the roulette.
No. This is nowhere near the roulette, but it's definitely spicy. We're gonna use one pepper, slice it really fine, and add it to our marinade. I'm gonna take a plastic bag, put the marinade in there. This is sacred stuff. We can't leave any drops. Kecap Manis, the nectar of life. We'll put in our chicken. Make sure you get the marinade everywhere. I'm massaging the chicken with the nectar of life. When you wait, you want it even more, and you feel so bad about wanting it. It's gonna taste better and better when you eat it. It just makes you lose your mind. How can this not be tasty? This is gonna be so good. I'll put this in the fridge for at least 4 hours, but you can do it overnight if you want to. It will enhance the flavors. Our chicken has marinated for 4 hours, and it's time to put it on the grill. I already started up my new Weber Master Touch. You can see that the briquettes are already burned in quite a bit. I already spread them out over the grill, so the heat is equally divided. We're going to add a chunk of smoke wood. Set that to the side and let it start picking up smoke slowly. I'm going to add the grill grate, and now it's time to put our chicken on. That smell is amazing. This picked up a lot of flavor. This is a good chicken. And there she goes. Oh man, look at that caramelization on the chicken. This is gonna be so tasty. Our chicken is almost cooked fully. Now it's time to flip it around, get a crispy skin, and when it reached the core temperature of 75 degrees Celsius, we're taking it off the grill. Marson,
Yes.
I'm ready for my chicken.
You look ready.
Look at this beautiful chicken. Oh. Look at how good this looks. Now that is a juicy chicken. And it just shreds apart. I just want to get a piece and taste it. Oh, look at that. This is such a great way to cook a chicken. Look at how juicy that is. Cooked all the way through and just still So juicy. And that skin, nice and brown and crispy. Awesome.
Yeah.
This is good. Try some of that chicken.
Is it hot?
Hot. Yeah, don't worry about it. You'll be fine. But on a scale from 1 to 10, seriously, how juicy is this chicken?
Well, definitely your top 5 juicy chickens.
We should let it rest, but man, it's so juicy. I can't wait any longer. This is such a beautiful chicken, but think of this. If you got a crowd full of people and you gotta cook something, I don't know, 20 friends or something like this, and you put 4 of these chickens in your grill and cook them slowly with this beautiful marinade, it's gonna be so good. They're gonna love you to death for this recipe. Let's check out the breast. Look at how juicy, look at the amount. I can bathe my kids in there. I love the way the Kecap Manis caramelized onto that chicken and how it penetrated the meat. It tastes fantastic. I miss a little bit of that yellow pepper though. I think I should have put in 3 to get that heat that I'm looking for. But the garlic is there, the ginger is there. If you're cooking chicken like this, spatchcocked and over direct heat, it's a magical thing. You're creating smoke by the juices that are dripping out of that chicken onto the fire, also adding a little bit of smoke wood to create that special blend of flavors. There's really no sauce required, especially when you're marinated your chicken. Getting all that flavors into the chicken meat and then at the end, flipping it around, crispening up that skin. Man, what a way to make a Pitmaster happy. The new Weber Master Touch did an amazing job and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video recipe. And if you did, then leave me a big thumbs up and a comment down below. A big thank you to our YouTube members and our Patreons. I hope to see you guys next time. Until then, eet smakelijk and keep on grilling.